Hello, everyone. Welcome to Automation Edge Training. The Agentic AI plugin is a suite of intelligent AI-powered steps in Automation Edge that helps automate complex and unstructured business processes using generative AI. In part one of this Agentic AI series, we explored the LLM, Summarizer, and Classifier plugins and learned how they help with content understanding, information extraction, and decision-making. In part two, we will explore two powerful plugins: Knowledge Base plugin, AI Agent plugin. Let's begin with the Knowledge Base step. The Knowledge Base step retrieves organization-specific information from documents stored in AI Studio Knowledge Management. When a user asks a question, the step searches the uploaded documents and returns the most relevant information. Because the search is limited to your organization's documents, responses remain secure, accurate, and independent of external web sources. Let's understand this through an employee self-service assistant use case. Organizations typically maintain documents such as leave policy, comp-off policy, health and safety guidelines, help desk procedures, travel policy. Employees often ask questions like, how many casual leaves am I entitled to? How do I apply for comp-off? How can I raise an IT support ticket? What is the hotel reimbursement limit for business travel? Instead of searching through multiple documents manually, employees can simply ask a chatbot. The chatbot 1 receives the employee's question. 2 searches internal documents using the knowledge base step. 3 retrieves the relevant policy information. 4 returns an accurate response based on company documents. This provides quick, consistent, and reliable answers. Let's see AI Studio configuration. Here in AI Studio, we have a project called KM that contains multiple policy documents. Each document is uploaded and tagged for easier categorization and retrieval. You can view all uploaded documents, tags. In the overview section, you can see project ID and project secret. These credentials are used while configuring the knowledge base step in Automation Edge. Let's switch to Process Studio. Here we have the knowledge base demo workflow with a start step. Let's take a knowledge base step and configure it. In Project tab, we can see Project ID, Project Secret. Search types. The knowledge base step supports 2 search modes. Vector search. Vector search focuses on the meaning of the query. For example, if a user asks, how can I get compensatory leave? The system can still retrieve information from the comp-off policy even if the exact words are different. Hybrid search. Hybrid search combines semantic search and keyword search. It considers both the intent and the exact keywords used in the query. For most use cases, hybrid search is recommended because it provides more accurate results. Top K. It defines how many matching documents should be returned. For example, if top K is set to 5, the step returns the 5 most relevant matches. One important point to remember is that the knowledge base step does not require any LLM configuration because the retrieval process is handled directly by AI Studio. The threshold is the level above which the prediction of final intents will be returned. Tags. Tags help restrict searches to specific document categories. Let's add the project ID and project secret from AI Studio's KM project. Click on Load Tags and select the tags. Let's select Tag as Leave. Test the connection. As you can see, connection is successful. We will ask in prompt, what is the process for applying for a comp-off? The knowledge base step searches the uploaded documents and retrieves the most relevant policy information. The output field is configured as references. Let's execute the workflow. The workflow completed successfully. Because top K is set to 5, multiple matching references are returned. The output includes document name, relevant content, relevant score. The comp-off policy receives the highest score because it is the most relevant document for the query. Why use knowledge base before AI agent? Imagine an organization with hundreds of policy documents. Sending all documents directly to an AI agent would increase token usage, increase processing time, increase LLM cost. Instead, the knowledge base step acts as a retrieval layer. It identifies only the relevant information and passes that information to the AI agent. This improves both efficiency and response accuracy. Now let's move to the highlight of this session, the AI Agent plugin. A traditional LLM follows a simple flow question and answer. An AI agent follows a smarter process: question, reason, select tool, execute tool, analyze result, and respond. The ability to use external tools and make decisions during execution is what makes an AI agent powerful. This is enabled through tool calling, also known as callback functions. To build effective AI agents, two things are important. Use an LLM that supports tool calling. Use an LLM with strong reasoning capabilities. The quality of the AI agent largely depends on the model you choose. Let's understand this using an IT help desk scenario. We have 3 Automation Edge workflows exposed as tools: reset password, check ticket status, create help desk ticket. The AI agent will decide which workflow to execute based on the user's request. For example, if user says, "My account is locked. Please reset my password," agent will understands the issue. Selects the reset password tool. Executes the workflow. Response will be, "Your password has been reset successfully. Please check your registered email for the temporary password." If user says, "What is the status of ticket HD 2458? Agent identifies ticket inquiry, extracts ticket number, executes check ticket status. Response will be, "Ticket HD 2458 is currently in progress and assigned to the infrastructure team." If user says, "My laptop camera is not working," agent identifies a new issue, creates a help desk ticket, returns the generated ticket number. Response will be, "A new help desk ticket, HD 3672, has been created for your issue." Let's see this in a workflow AI agent demo. As you can see, we have a start step in workflow. Let's add AI agent step and configure the same. The LLM configuration remains the same as other Agentic AI plugins. In the AE configuration tab, we connect the agent to an Automation Edge instance. This allows the agent to access workflows that will be used as tools. The configuration includes base URL, username, password, organization code, user first and last name. Also, approval task template. It's used to specify the name of the template to find an Automation Edge UI to generate an approval request. The Tools tab is where we define the tools available to the agent. Tools can come from Automation Edge workflows, MCP servers. Too many tools can reduce tool selection accuracy and affect performance. As you can see in Automation Edge server inside the workflow configuration, you can see Agentic AI tool configuration. We have tool name, tool description, and the use as tool checkbox. Too many tools can reduce tool selection accuracy and affect performance. The most important field is the tool description. The AI agent reads this description to determine when to use the tool, why to use the tool. A clear description significantly improves tool selection accuracy. Simply put, better descriptions lead to better agent decisions. Here in AE Tool dropdown, you can see the list of the workflows selected as tool. You can select the workflows. Approval Guardrails. Some actions should not be executed automatically. For examples, restart server, stop service, disable user account. For such actions, approval guardrails can be configured. The agent requests approval before executing the workflow. This provides an additional layer of control and security. The AI agent can also use tools exposed through an MCP server. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. An MCP server acts as a standard bridge between AI models and external tools. Examples include mathematical operations, external API integrations, environment information, enterprise applications. Once connected, all exposed tools become available to the agent. Use the Knowledge Base tab to provide the AI agent with contextual data. By linking documents or references, you enable the agent to answer questions using specific enterprise data, rather than relying solely on its general training. Use the Memory Settings tab to enable contextual continuity. By default, the step is stateless, treating every execution as a new, isolated event. Enabling memory allows the agent to recall previous interactions, enabling multi-turn conversations and complex problem-solving across multiple iterations. For current use case, we are not doing Setting for Knowledge Base tab and Memory Setting tab. In the Prompt tab, we define the agent's role and behavior. Let's add System Prompt as "You are a helpful IT help desk assistant." Always use the appropriate tool whenever required. Add User Prompt as "Check the status of ticket HD 2458. These instructions guide how the agent interacts with users. In the Output tab, result is stored in Response field. The agent understands the request, selects the correct tool, executes the workflow, analyzes the result, generates the final response. Let's execute the workflow. As you can see, the check ticket status workflow executed on Automation Edge server, and now we are getting response and preview data. Let's now see how all Agentic AI plugins work together using an intelligent customer complaint resolution system. A company receives customer complaint emails every day. The system should understand the complaint, classify severity, generate a summary, decide the next action, and create a professional response. This demonstrates a complete real-world customer service automation workflow. As you can see in the workflow, email step is used to read the mails. Then LLM step extracts structured information from the complaint email. It analyzes the email and provides main issue, product involved, sentiment, positive, neutral, negative, is refund requested, yes, no, email address of customer. By using classifier step, we have categorized complaint severity as low, medium, high, and critical. This helps determine the appropriate response and escalation path. Then we have used summarizer step to generate a concise internal summary. And the AI agent step acts as a customer support manager. It analyzes severity, decides the next action, determines escalation requirements, generates a professional response. For higher critical issues, the agent may initiate priority support or replacement actions. The agent automatically generates a professional, empathetic customer response based on the complaint details and business rules. This demonstrates how LLM, classifier, summarizer, knowledge base, and AI agent work together to automate an end-to-end business process. Let's run the workflow. Now, as you can see, the complaint severity is determined as medium, and so send reply workflow is called. And mail is send to customer. This is the true power of Agentic AI and Automation Edge. The ability to reason, retrieve information, execute actions, coordinate multiple systems, and deliver business outcomes rather than just answers. For more information and support, visit community.automationedge.com. Thank you for watching.